Welcome to this week's LinkedIn updates, where I'll be sharing all the new features and updates taking place across LinkedIn. First up this week is LinkedIn and AI. So, LinkedIn have failed to disclose to its users that it's been using their user data to train their AI systems. As a result, LinkedIn have updated their privacy policy and they've also provided an opt out feature to users to prevent them from using their data to train their AI systems. This has a real impact on US based users, while people in the EU are covered by privacy policies and AI laws. So, if you really want to turn off this feature, go to your settings and it will be available within there on your LinkedIn profile. Next up is LinkedIn and gaming. So, as you might be aware, gaming is now available on the LinkedIn platform, but LinkedIn have now rolled out a new game called Tango. This new game has was launched in the last week or so, and it joins three other games. Personally, I don't use the gaming feature on LinkedIn because it's not something that I go to the platform to do. But it seems that it's quite popular because LinkedIn have also announced that they'll be enhancing and providing additional features for LinkedIn gamers. And one of those features is including achievements within the four games that they now have. So watch out for further enhancements if you are interested in the gaming feature on LinkedIn. Next up is LinkedIn again looking at AI. So LinkedIn will be again making further changes in relation to policies. And this one is to do with users using the AI tools within LinkedIn to generate content. From November, LinkedIn will be putting the responsibility for anything that's incorrect or inaccurate from that kind of type of content back onto the user and not LinkedIn. This is a change that Microsoft, which is the parent company of LinkedIn, made earlier in the year. So from November, be aware that this change will be incorporated into the platform. So it's on the user to make sure that the data or the information that they share using AI tools on LinkedIn is correct and accurate before sharing across the platform, because LinkedIn are no longer taking any responsibility for this. The last update is a LinkedIn audio session that I'll be hosting next week, and it will be focusing in on the Notion application. Notion is a fantastic application to improve your productivity. It's something that I use on my own content creation journey for content calendars, scheduling, and a lot of other areas that come in to the creator economy. So if you're not using Notion, or maybe you're using Notion but not getting enough out of it, or want to learn more about the application, join me next week on a LinkedIn audio event where I'll be joined by a Notion ambassador who will be providing a number of key insights and tips so that you can get the most out of the Notion application. That LinkedIn audio event will be taking place next Tuesday at 1 p.m. GMT. I'll share the link to the event in the comments below. So don't miss it. It'll definitely be a great session because that Notion ambassador has a number of tips and insights to share. That's it for this week on the LinkedIn updates. If you've any further questions to do with LinkedIn, either follow me on LinkedIn for daily content across the LinkedIn platform, or drop me a message on LinkedIn and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this week's LinkedIn updates.